Hey guys, good morning. How you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. Guys, let's make breakfast breakfast smoothie, okay? It's a meal replacement, okay? I'm gonna be having banana strawberry. Yes, I have frozen banana and strawberry, okay? But I'll be having 2 more avocado to eat, okay? Hope everyone are doing well. Hope you guys are doing good. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I appreciate every one of you for supporting me, my new followers, my old followers. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys, okay? As you can see, I'm still on my pajama, okay? This is what I'm eating for my breakfast. You can use 1 avocado, but this avocado is not that big. That's why I'm using 2. Okay, wash my hands. Okay, we have avocado, banana, and strawberry. Okay, then I'll be adding whole milk. Okay, you can use almond milk, whatever milk that you are not allergic to. Okay, let's say about a cup or half a cup, just to make the blender blend properly. Then I will put in my blender. Then I will blend, make it very smooth. You know what? Because the strawberries and banana, they are frozen. That's why it's having a hard time to blend. Okay, let's do it one more time. It's so thick. Okay, it's ready. Time to serve. Okay. Got my 2 cups here. Okay. Wow, it's so creamy. So creamy. This is gonna be yummy. Whoa! Okay, you guys. Breakfast is ready for me. Let me try my one. This is good. Meal replacement. If you don't want to eat heavy food for breakfast, try smoothie. Okay, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like the video and make sure to share. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye guys.